Assalamu alaikum guys, this is me Babar Zaheer and today we are recreating Mahira Khan's Shadi look. Her name is Ayatain and I'll tell you why I'm recreating this look because that was the most viral look I've ever done and she looked the best in that look. So हमने model की skin जो है वो prep कर ली है अभी. I'll tell you why I'm doing this look because it was a very basic, minimum, no makeup look and she wanted like that. Okay, Babar, I don't want too much makeup on my face. I want to look myself. So for the foundation, I'm using a CC cream instead of using foundation because it's very lightweight. Beauty blender आपका damp होना चाहिए और आप अपना CC cream लेके you start putting it. लेकिन मैंने माहिरा के foundation नहीं लगाया था. I've just used the concealer because she doesn't like foundation, so I never put foundation on her. Or blending is the key in the makeup. If you're putting foundation, if you're not gonna blend it nicely और spread अच्छे से नहीं करेंगे आप तो आपका foundation आपकी skin में absorb नहीं होगा और वो जो आपको flawless look जो basically चाहिए होती है वो नहीं मिलेगी. As you can see, I'm almost done with the foundation with the CC cream, not the foundation. Okay, for the under eye, I'm using a Tarte concealer which is medium. And how I put my concealer, I always draw ऊपर की तरफ line here. So it will lift your entire face and I'll tell you the difference. A little bit in the corner. And especially over here, we talk so much, me and Mahira. Whenever we are like doing makeup, अगर हमें 45 मिनट में ready होना है तो हम 60 मिनट में ready होते हैं because we talk a lot. Look how I'm blending it. The reason why I put it concealer like this, so it lifts your face up a little bit. And this is what you call a snatch look basically. Barat used to be done by someone else and Walima used to be done by someone else. That's the best way to look different on both the event. As you can see, I'm done with the concealer and foundation. बाल हमने इनके पहले से बना देते हैं because Mahira wanted specific, she wanted a clean, चपटे बाल basically, gel back look. We've done it पहले से because we want to save some time. I'm going to use two different colors of blush on. First, I'm using the cream one. And look where I'm putting first. Do this like press. The product will go in skin properly. And then take your beauty blender and start dabbing it. So it's gonna give you very nice airbrush blush look. And again, I'm using another blush because that's how I created this look. This is a Rare Beauty blush. And now I'm gonna use this blush over here on the cheekbones. The pigment is very strong. It's blush ka. And I'm just using the tip of the beauty blender. So product आपका ज़्यादा नहीं लगेगा इससे. Now the main trick, what I like doing it, see आप इसी beauty blender जैसे आपने foundation, concealer, blush लगाया है, उसमें हमारा थोड़ा बहुत blush बचा है. I'm gonna take it here, आँख के नीचे. This is a very useful trick and I love using this on my client. Okay, so now I'm gonna bake her under eye area, but not too much, a little bit. I'm using the Huda ka pink powder, which is the most viral powder nowadays. I'm taking my beauty blender, see how? And I'm gonna press it here. We're done with the face. Okay, for the eyes, excuse my dirty palette. I'm using Pillow Talk palette from Charlotte Tilbury. And the color I'm using is like a little peach sort of color. For the depth, I'm gonna take a little bit, dust off the brush, and I'm gonna start putting it here. आँख के corners के अंदर. That's how I give depth. कि मैं आँख खोल कर depth देता हूँ. इससे क्या होता है कि आप जब आँख खोल के सामने देते हो तो आपको exact crease draw करने का मौका मिलता है, which is very nice. And you can see I'm using all the product that I have, but I'm using it very minimum. Come. That's the key. And I always take my brush blend करते वक्त ऊपर की तरफ I like a little snatched look. Now I'm using another brush for blending. So for eyeliner, I'm going to use double liner. पहले मैं इनकी आँख को stretch करूँगा, लंबा करूँगा. जो I did it with mine a little bit. I'm using a maroon, burnt rust type of shadow, not the maroon. मैंने अपना liner brush गीला किया. गीला करने के बाद मैं इस eye shadow पे इस तरह करके basically liner बनाऊँगा. And it's the same palette that I'm using, Pillow Talk. Now I'm going to take a flat small brush and I'm going to take a little brown shadow here. I'm going to start smudging this harsh line that I've drawn. I wanted that like कि आँखें लंबी बड़ी लगे. Same thing I'm gonna do it over there. As you can see मैंने इनकी आँख थोड़ी लंबी की है. Now I'm going to take a same flat brush and I'm going to start smudging this eyeliner that I've drawn. I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow a little bit with the same palette. मैं अपना brush wet कर रहा हूँ. You have to draw a very thin line. Basically roots में लाना लगाना है आपने. And now I'm going to take a very fluffy small brush and I'm going to blend this liner, not the outer corner, the inner corner. इस लाइनर को यूज करने के लिए आपको अपना ब्रश वेट करना is very important. And I'm going to take a fluffy small brush and I'll start blending this a little bit. As you can see, I've done my liner. Now the fun part is I'm going to put lashes. For the lashes, I'm going to use curl the eyelash first. Promise I'm not gonna hurt you. Mascara से पहले अगर आप eyelash curl करेंगे, आपकी eyelashes अच्छे से lift होंगी. It's like 1, 2, 3. We're done. बहुत सी लड़कियाँ ये करती हैं जब lashes लगानी होती हैं इन लोगों को, they don't put mascara और लगाते हैं तो बहुत सही से लगाते हैं, like roots के अंदर तक लगाना चाहिए ताकि वो जो एक lash band नजर आ रहा है वो उससे नजर नहीं आता. And always lift your corner lashes. Bottom lashes पे मैं अभी नहीं लगाऊंगा mascara. Over here I'm using individual eyelashes. These are like e-cake eyelashes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one eyelash, put the glue over here a little bit. मैंने Mahira के I think ये 5 or 6, I don't remember. And I'm now going to repeat the same eyelashes over here. And always first put the lash, individual lash over here, corner आँखें, वो उससे आपकी eyelash और आँखें जो हैं बहुत lift और प्यारी लगती हैं. Okay, for her eyebrows मैं ले रहा हूँ कोई भी spoolie brush जो आपके पास घर में हो, spoolie लेके आपने इसको wet करना है spoolie को, soap पर rub it nicely. और soap इसके ऊपर आ जाएगा. आपने eyebrow first लगाना है इस तरह से करके eyebrows लिफ्ट करनी ऊपर की तरफ और चिपकानी. इसको थोड़ा ड्राई होने में टाइम लगेगा. As you can see मैंने इनकी आईब्रोज ऊपर की तरफ की हैं, बुशी करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. सोप लगाने के बाद आपने 2 टिश्यू पेपर लेने, उसको इस तरह से रैप करना है. Fold it like that and start pressing eyebrows. Keep pressing it See, चिपक properly हो गई है. What you have to do, take a spoolie brush, and now you can shape, you can give nice shape to the eyebrow. Now I'm going to start making her eyebrows. It's a very precision fine pencil. हमने करना क्या है, हमने जो उनके गैप्स हैं eyebrow में, इसको fill करना शुरू करना है with a very light soft hand. I like details. Now I'm going to take a same concealer that I've used on her, and I'm going to take a synthetic flat brush. I'll take a little bit of concealer because I like little defined brows. जो brow bone है उस पे लगाऊंगा हल्का सा to highlight those brow bone. And I'm going to repeat the same thing here. मैंने बहुत ही कम लिया है, मैं साथ साथ उसको finger से blend भी कर रहा हूँ. You can also repeat the same thing here. इससे आपकी eyebrows बहुत precise और shape में बनती हैं. And I'm going to take it with my finger. I'm going to take a little bit of shadow. And remember, always start with the less. Less is always more. Now I'm going to take a Pillow Talk palette again. And I'll use the same shadow जो मैंने इनकी depth में use किया है. And I'm going to use it here. It has a really nice gloss. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take it here. Little bit, take a small brush and mix it with highlighter. और अब मैं इसका powder blush use करूँगा, not the cream one. Now I'm gonna use a bronzer or a contour. I like putting bronzers and contour in the end, not in the middle. Now I'm going to take a very small brush and I'm going to contour her nose. Contouring is very important. And what you can do, take a same beauty blender and diffuse the color. Same mascara, bottom lashes पे. What I'm gonna do, open lips. I'm gonna tap this color a little bit because I wanted a little like a rougey pink. I'm not putting like a lipstick. जिसमें lipstick लगाते हैं, मैं इस तरह नहीं लगा रहा हूँ. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a tissue paper and start wiping the lipstick. So होगा क्या कि आपको एक सिर्फ उस lipstick का tinge रहेगा, बाकी जो rest of the extra color is going to come off. Okay, so the gloss that I've used on her, I'm going to use a little bit. Now I'm going to take a tissue paper. We're done. We're ready actually. As you can see, the look is very beautiful, less dewy, and at the same time, it's gonna stand out in the pictures and the video, what we all need. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put her dupatta on her head and we'll come back in 2 minutes. I'm taking a whole dupatta or doing it बीच में से आधा, like half and half basically. I'm using 3-4 pins. जितना आपका heavy दुपट्टा है, उस हिसाब से आप adjust कर सकते हैं. So this was the whole look that I've created. I hope Mahira is going to forgive me अगर मैंने कहीं गलती की हो. And I hope you guys like it because it's one of my favorite makeup look on her. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.